I'm so glad we did this. Turdy always told me he wanted to be buried at Sky. Now I think it would be a good idea if we all said something. Heffer, would you like to say something?
Beans, they're good for your heart. The more you eat...
All right, that's enough of that. Rocko, would you like to say a few words?
Yes. Well, let's see. Turdy was, Bird.
Oh! That's so beautiful!
And I hope that wherever he is, that...
Okay, my turn. Turdy, bless you. Even though you were with us for a brief time, you still had plenty of time to spread happiness. Ugh. Let's get some tacos.
Yeah!
Hey, you, bird boy.
Yes?
Here, this is yours. I ain't dealing with it.
All right! Food! Old silverware. Hey, monkey, you little sweetheart.
What's in the box? Money?
Oh, my goodness. Little tiny baby monkey birds. I've got a whole family. Thank you, Turdy.